Good morning students. I hope you all are fine. I am Jyoti and I am here to teach English first of class 4th. So we have completed up to chapter number 20 and today we will start chapter number 21. So name of this chapter is the adverb. The adverb. Okay. So what is adverb? As you can see in this word, the word is adverb. Adverb, which add something in word. And what are verb? Verb are the action words. So which add something in the meaning of verb. It means which the words which modify the verbs are called adverbs. For example, the bus will arrive shortly. The bus will arrive shortly. So here arrive. Arrive is the action word. Arrive is the verb. And which modifies arrive? Shortly. Shortly tells us about arrive now. That when bus will arrive, it will arrive shortly. So shortly is here adverb. We cross the street safely. So here safely is the adverb. Similarly, the driver stopped the car suddenly. So here suddenly is the adverb. We walked silently. So here silently is the adverb. The manager greeted me cheerfully. So here cheerfully is the adverb. So in these sentences, the words shortly, safely, suddenly, silently and cheerfully tell us something more about the verbs, right? So these are called adverbs, right? So the adverb silently, the act of reading, the way of reading. She read silently. Okay. So here this word silently tells us about how she reads. She reads silently. So this word modifies the meaning of this word. So it means this is adverb. This is verb. This is adverb. Okay. Now kinds of adverb. How many types of adverbs are there? So number one, first kind is adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner. Okay. Kinds of adverb. So first is adverb of manner. Okay. So let us see the words. These girls walk slowly. How they are walking? Slowly. They waited patiently. How they are waiting? Patiently. This boy writes badly. How he is writing? Badly. They spend their money foolishly. How they are spending their money? Foolishly. She speaks quietly. How she speaks? She speaks quietly. So in these sentences, the words slowly, patiently, badly, foolishly and quietly. All these words add something to the meaning of the verb. And which are the verbs? Walk, waited, writes, okay, spend, speaks, right? So they clearly describe how the actions are done. In every sentence I was saying na how. How. So which give us the answer of how. These are adverb of manner. How she speaks, how she walks, how they are spending. So this is called adverb of manner. Understood? Next is adverb of time. Number B is adverb of time. So what is adverb of time? Let us see some sentences. First one is, that day he came in late. That day he came in late. When he came? Late. Okay. I shall now begin my journey. When I begin my journey? Now. Complete your task today. When complete your task? Today. The train is arriving soon. When the train is arriving? Soon. We must get up early. When we have to get up? Early. So in these sentences, these words late, now, today, soon, early, these tells us when the verb took place. So adverb of time give us the answer of when. And adverb of manner give us the answer of how. Okay. Next is adverb of place. Next is adverb of place. So what is adverb of place? Let us see. Go there. Where you have to go? There. The bus comes here. Where the bus comes? Here. Okay? My friend is going abroad. Where my friend is going? Abroad. The little lamb followed Mary everywhere. Where the little lamb followed Mary? Everywhere. The boys are going outdoors to play. Where are the boys going? Outdoors. So, adverb of place gives us the answer of where. Okay? Where are they going? They tell us about the place, right? So, this is called adverb of place. Okay? Next one is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. So they tell us about how many times. Okay, how many times. For example, Suresh is seldom late. How many times he late? Seldom. Seldom means almost never. He always tells a lie. How many times he tells a lie? Always. She rarely meets me. How many times she meets me? Rarely. Many people do physical exercise regularly. How many times people exercise? They exercise regularly. They go there twice a week. How many times they go there in a week? Twice. Twice means 2 times. So these are called adverb of frequency. They tell us the answer of how often or how many times. Okay? How many times. So this is adverb of manner. This tells us about how the thing is happening. Adverb of time tells us about when the thing is happening. Adverb of place tells us about where the verb happens. Adverb of frequency tells us about how often the verb was done. Okay. So these are the kinds of adverbs, and this is about adverb. Now let's start the exercise of this chapter. Exercise number A. Pick out the adverbs of time in the following sentences. Also name the verb with which each is used. Okay. So number A. Obey your elders instantly. Obey your elders instantly. So which is the adverb of time here? Here the adverb of time is instantly. Here the adverb of time is instantly, and it is used with obey. It is used with obey. Number two is good children go to bed early. So which is the adverb of time here? Early. Early. And now which is the verb here? Go. Go. Right? Number three is we shall get our appointment letters tomorrow. So which is the adverb of time here? So here the adverb of time is tomorrow. Tomorrow. T-O-M-O-R-R. Tomorrow. And verb is get. Okay? Verb is get. Number 4. That day all the people arrived late. So which is the adverb of time here? Late. And what is the verb? Arrive. Okay, what is the verb? Arrive. Number 5 is they will start their journey now. So which is the adverb of time here? Now. And the verb is start. Okay, the verb is start. Number 6 is the letter came a few days ago. So what is the adverb of time here? Ago. And verb is came. Verb is came. Okay. So these are the answers of exercise number 8. Note down them in your book. Okay. Now let's start exercise number B. Exercise number B is Pick out the adverb of place in the following sentences and write them in the blanks. We need to write the adverb of place here. Place means where, right? Which gave us the answer of where. Number 1. She lives a long way from here. From here. So what is the adverb of place here? Here. Okay. Now number 2. Number 2 is they come from there. So what is the adverb of place here? There. Right? Next. His companions have gone out. His companions have gone out. So what is the adverb of place here? Out. Okay. Number 4. The manager sat inside. So which is the adverb of place here? Inside. Okay. Number 5. The assistant has gone upstairs. So what is the adverb of place here? Upstairs. Upstairs. Okay. Next. I had been looking for her everywhere. So what is the adverb of place here? Everywhere. Everywhere. Okay. So these are the answers of exercise number B. Note down them in your notebook. Okay. Now exercise number C. Odd one out. Odd one out. So I will write its answer here. Exercise number C is so first one is play. Circle the word that does not belong to the group. The word which I will write here, you will circle them in your book. Play, always, exactly, madly, honestly. So here the odd word is play. Right? Play. All others are adverbs. Number 2. Never, poorly, discover, totally, seriously. So here the odd word is discover. Discover. All others are adverb. Number 3. Safely, shine, usually, brightly, wildly. So here the odd word is shine. Except shine, all are adverbs. See, one identification of adverb is adverb ends with the word ly. Okay, ly. Okay. Number 4. Far, away, frequently, exactly, or flame. So here the odd word is flame. All others are adverb here. Next, number 5 is weakly, late, flee, quickly, nearly. So here the odd word is flee. All others are adverb. Okay. Next, number 6. Teach, often, next, once, nervously. So here the odd word is teach. Teach is a verb and others are adverb. Number 7. Quietly, recently, politely, cry, or technically. So here the odd word is cry. All others are adverb. Number 8. Rarely, aside, hourly, up, and card. So here the odd word is card. All others are adverb. Okay. So these are the answers of C. Okay. Exercise number C. Circle them in your book. Okay. Now let us see exercise number D. Okay. More are there. Number 9. In exercise number C, more are there. More are there. Up to 15 are there. So number 9. Fortunately, stick, yesterday, happily, or suddenly. So here the odd word is stick. All others are adverb. Okay. Stick is a noun. Now soon, silently, napkin, together, or oddly. So here the odd word is napkin. All others are adverb. Okay. Now number 11 is kindly, today, twice, river, or seldom. So here the odd word is river. All others are adverb. Number 12. Rarely, surely, forever, daily or island. So here the odd word is island. All others are adverb. Okay. Number 13. Confuse, perfectly, slowly, truly or tomorrow. So here the the odd word is confuse. All others are adverb. Okay. Next. Number 14. Now, appear, instantly, only, heavily. So here the odd word is appear. All others are adverb. Okay. Next, number 15. Sometimes, before, really, dance or yearly. So here the odd word is dance. All others are adverb. Okay. So these are the answers of exercise number C. Circle them in your book. Okay. Now let's start exercise number D. Fill in the blanks with adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. We need to fill it adverb of manner. So adverb of manner gives us the answer of how. Okay, how. So exercise number D. Number 1 is he painted the picture. Nice word is given. So he painted the picture nicely. Okay. He painted the picture nicely. Number 2. I helped the people graciously. Okay. I helped the people graciously. Okay. Number 3. He held the tray carefully. He held the tray carefully. Okay. Next, number 4. John dressed smartly. John dressed smartly. As you can see now, every time I am adding ly. So ly, whenever a word ends with ly, it means this is an adverb. Okay, this is an adverb. Next, number 5. The boy jumped playfully. The boy jumped playfully. Number 6. Number 6 is he spoke to his brother firmly. He spoke to his brother firmly. Okay. Number 7. You talked to me angrily. You talked to me angrily. Number 8. He walked slowly. He walked slowly. Number 9. He ran dash fast word is there. So he ran fastly. Okay, he ran fastly. So these are the answers of exercise number D. Note down them in your book. Okay. So here our chapter number 21 is completed. Okay. All of you complete these exercises in your book and write the definitions in notebook. Okay. We will meet in our next class. Till then, learn this chapter. Prepare well.